Okay, in this video we're going to do a left side free spin. Gentlemen, that means left side, your left shoulder is opening up, she's passing to your left, yeah? This is with a free spin. Now, let's go over just a tad bit here. Now, when we finish things like this, usually have this position like so, all right? You can get to any pattern like a sugar push or anything like that, walk, walk, triple step, and you're right into this pattern here, cool? Now, you can also be catching from a pattern on top or underneath, but we're going to show you what to do here. So if you're on top like this catching, all right, you're going to go right, left. This is the key. Right, left, trip, full step, trip, full step. Cool? Let's do that one more time for this angle, okay? Now I'm underneath this time, now on top, I'm going to go right, left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Nicely done. Let's take it toward the camera. We're in this position here, yes? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Very nice. All right, let's take it from this angle. Again, on top or underneath, does not matter. Right, left. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Good. Remember, right, left on the fretting on your slow, slow, or your 1, 2. Cool? All right. For more information on that, or more detail, as we've been saying, private lesson style videos. Okay? Now it's up to you to go do what? Practice, 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 and then come on back for your next video.